Meaning of halve.
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 Have.
Have. The term have means to divide something into two equal parts. When you have an object, you are essentially cutting it in half so that both parts have an identical size and shape. This could refer to physical objects like food or a piece of paper, as well as abstract concepts like time or money. For example, if you had a cake and you wanted to share it equally with a friend, you could have the cake by cutting it down the middle, giving each person an equal portion. Having is a useful concept in many different areas of life.